Hello friends, today we have planned the activity to show and explain force. Then what is force? A push or pull acting on an object is called force. What are the effects of force? There are four effects of force. Force can move a stationary object. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Force can change the shape of an object. There are 6 types of forces. Gravitational force, mechanical force, magnetic force, muscular force, buoyant force.
The force by which Earth pulls all the objects towards itself is called gravitational force. Frictional force is caused when two surfaces rub against each other. It's called frictional force.
Muscular force. The force that started by our muscles is called muscular force. Mechanical force. The force which is applied with the help of tools and machines is called mechanical force.
Magnetic force. The force by which magnet attracts other objects made of stick metal.
Buoyant force. The force applied by water in upward direction is called buoyant force.
When we try to reverse something in water, the water applies force in upward direction. Thank you.
Work is done when force change position of an object.
Energy defined to do work. Force, work and energy related to each other.
Today we are conducting our science activity and our topic is simple machines. Machine, a device that makes our work easier. Machine is divided into two types, simple machine and complex machine. Simple machine is divided into 6 parts: lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. Levers are divided into 3 parts: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. First class lever. In first class lever, fulcrum is located at between the load and effort. Second class lever. Lever in which load is between the fulcrum and the effort. Third class lever. Lever in which effort is located between fulcrum and load. Examples of first class lever: scissors, seesaw, crowbar and pliers. Example of second class lever: wheelbarrow, nutcracker, bottle opener. Examples of third class lever: shovel, crowbar, etc.
There are 3 parts of lever: fulcrum, load and effort.
Pulley. Pulley is a simple machine that lifts heavy loads up or down. Pulley are in 2 types, fixed pulley and movable pulley.
Movable pulley. In movable pulley, the wheel is not fixed, it is free and movable.
Fixed pulley. Fixed pulley is not fixed with wheel. Example of fixed pulley is warping board. Wedge. Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle
arrangement consists into fixed or not fixed at the wheel is called axle. Examples of wheel and axle are a bicycle pedal and better are some examples of wheel and axle combination.
Wedge. Two inclined planes joined together to make a long triangular piece.
Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a slope or tilted surface used to move heavy load up or down.
Screw. Screw is actually an inclined plane wrapped around the pole. It has a groove at its head for screwdriver to fit in it easily.